sleep with this. I have to be up tomorrow early. He sleeps like this, snoring so loud. Wake him up. Jesus.